Hello farmers. Welcome to episode 6 on early pig care. If you didn't watch the previous episode, the link to the video is in the description below. Temperature. The ideal effective temperature for a newly weaned pig is 28 degrees Celsius. Barns should be 21 degrees Celsius when the pigs are placed and kept there for the first 4 weeks. A desired temperature of 28 degrees Celsius can be achieved using zone heating. Zone temperature can be dropped 2 degrees per week placed. This is a guideline. Pig comfort should determine when to drop or increase zone temperature. Typically zone heat is needed for 2 to 4 weeks depending on pig size, health, and environment. Temperature. General rule for zone heating in the creep area is that pigs should lay 1 1/2 deep. Pigs should lay touching each other with heads on neighbors' flanks directly under the heater. If pigs are piled 2 to 3 layers deep, they are too cold and zone heaters should be turned up or lowered closer to the floor. If pigs are lying in a donut-shaped ring avoiding the area under the heater, then the area is too hot and the heater should be turned down or raised. Airflow. Ventilation should be adequate to provide 2.5 to 3.4 meters/hour per head at minimum setting and 33-39 meters/hour per head at maximum at placement of weaned pigs. As pigs grow, ventilation requirements change. Drafts. Drafts affect weaned pigs more severely than older pigs. All efforts should be made to eliminate drafts. Watch pigs' laying and dunging pattern to identify drafty areas. Pay attention and fix holes and curtain sags when found as they create drafts. Ensure all inlets are equalized for even airflow throughout the barn. Place creep mats and zone heat accordingly. Pen walking and fallback/sick pig identification. Pens should be walked twice daily to check feeders. See every pig from snout to tail, head to toe, spend about 2 sec per pig. Identify, pull, and treat sick pigs. Check waterers. Creep feed. Fill supplemental feeders. When finding any issue that is unknown or suspicious, call your supervisor and/or your herd veterinarian to get advice. It is important to provide sick pigs or pigs that are falling behind with extra care, which starts with a timely identification. Signs of falling back are rough hair coat or fuzzy appearance, sucked in flanks, obvious empty belly. It's a good idea to pick the pig up and feel the belly. A rough-looking pig with a full belly is probably okay. Depressed or lethargic. Head down or droopy. Not active or competing. Often these pigs will be huddled together or off by themselves. Temperature of 39 degrees C. Fall behind pigs. Sucked in flanks and stomach are a good indication that a pig has not been eating. Healthy pigs. Some pigs have rough hair coats, which is typical 3 to 6 days post-wean, but bellies are round, indicating that the pigs are on feed and doing well. Fallback management. Fallback pigs are pigs that simply had trouble starting on solid feed and competing with their pen mates. There is generally no disease issue with these pigs. Once identified, fallback pigs should be placed in a pen with other fallback pigs. This pen should have extra resources for these pigs, including extra supplemental heat, extra mat space, gruel feeding station, fallback management, small round supplemental feeder. Extra time should be spent managing the fall behind pen. Gruel feed should be freshened twice daily. Bowl should be dumped and rinsed out before fresh feed is placed. If pigs do not voluntarily eat gruel feed, then they should be hand-fed. Hand-feeding fallback pigs 4 to 6 times per day can be enough to keep these pigs from starving and give them a chance to recover. Hospital pen management. Once a pig has been identified as being sick, it either needs to be treated in its current pen or removed, treated, and placed in a hospital pen. If the pig is still fairly active and competitive, then it can be treated and left in its current pen. Mark the pig so that it can receive follow-up treatments and observation. If a pig is deemed non-competitive, then it needs to be removed and placed in a hospital pen. The pig will have a better chance of recovery in the hospital pen. Hospital pens should be located in the middle or end of the barn. Hospital pens should also be half-sized pens to make pig management and observation easier. Consult your herd veterinarian for the proper treatment for the clinical signs observed. Once a pig has recovered, then it should be moved to a recovery pen. Once it is determined that a pig doesn't have a reasonable chance of recovery or does not respond to treatment within 2 days, it should be humanely euthanized using an approved method. The U.S. National Pork Board and AASV have published guidelines for the humane euthanasia of pigs for your use as reference. That's all that we have for you today. See you on the future videos. That's all that we have for you today. For more future videos, kindly click the subscribe button. You can also click the links on the description below to visit our website and to watch other farming videos. Thank you for watching.